What's up, y'all? Welcome to the first video on my channel, Bearcat Trading, where I will be documenting my process in growing my $5,000 account. A little bit about myself. I've been trading for about 2 years now. I got started at the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic when a colleague of mine flipped Tesla options for $11,000 overnight, and my interest was piqued. I was desperate to find out how to get a piece of that pie. So I funded my first Robinhood account, I joined Wall Street Bets, and I was ready to get started. The issue is I had no idea what I was doing. I was buying far out of the money contracts, playing every single earnings every day, and within about 3 weeks, I blew the account. Money was totally gone. I took a step back. I decided to educate myself a little bit. I read a bunch of articles online. I watched YouTube video after YouTube video after YouTube video. And when I felt like I was ready to get back at it, I funded my second account. Now, my second account was a little bit different of a story. I took it a little bit slower. I actually became profitable at one point, but I didn't have any discipline when it came to trading. So I ended up over trading and I blew that account as well. But this time it lasted me about 6 months. At this point, I was pretty down on myself. A lot of money just went down the drain. I wasn't very hopeful for the future that this was something I was going to be able to do, but I did keep at it. I had found some great communities online. I joined some Discords, watching streamers on Twitch that were trading every day, and I was trying to copy their moves. And I was definitely building the confidence, but this was a big hit for me to take. For the past year or so, I've been doing pretty well when it's come to trading. I haven't been making massive gains, but I also have not been making massive losses. I've sort of been flat for the year of 2021, which in and of itself is a great accomplishment when you can finally manage risk, maintain your portfolio, and actually build some base to grow off of. That brings me to today, where I'm officially launching my 5K account challenge. My goal with this is to show beginning traders that it's possible to grow a small account, and it's not all about those flashy gains that you see on Twitter and Reddit. Trading is a lot harder than that, and those gains might come, but they are not sustainable, and they will not last. And if you get into that hype and you get into the mindset that every trade needs to be a 100% gain, you're not going to be around for very long. So I am starting this channel to document my process in turning my $5,000 account into a much bigger account, using techniques that I've learned over the past 2 years. I will be covering some of the trades I make that went well and some of the ones that did not go so well. I'll be covering some patterns that I really like to trade, that I've gotten pretty good at trading. I'm not very used to being in front of the camera. I'm not very good at video editing, but I am creating a Patreon where I will be documenting this process every single day. After market hours, I will be posting a synopsis. I will be posting a watch list for the next day. And every single weekend, I will be posting my review from the trades the previous week so that we could dive deeper into what's working, what's not working. They say that you need to pay your tuition to the market, and I have definitely paid my fair share. And I am hoping with this channel and with my Patreon, I can help you pay a little bit less in tuition than I paid. So if you're working to grow your first account, if you're interested in following along, please hit that like and subscribe button and check out the Patreon link that I have below in the description. I hope you join me for this. I hope it's informative. I hope you get something from it. Comment what you want to see. DM me on Instagram or Twitter. Those links are below as well. And yeah, let's get started.